Welcome to the top picks. The best generator grounding kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any generator owner, playing a critical role in ensuring safety and preventing potential damage to your valuable equipment. This seemingly simple component acts as a vital safeguard, diverting harmful electrical surges and static electricity away from your generator and any connected appliances, thereby protecting them from irreparable harm and safeguarding your home or worksite from electrical hazards. Understanding its importance is the first step towards a safer and more reliable power backup solution. Number 5. Alpcour Indoor Bike Trainer Stand. Make the switch to stationary cycling with this innovative bike trainer. It effortlessly converts your mountain or road bike into a stable, smooth-riding indoor bicycle, perfect for all-season training and fitness. Experience a realistic cycling feel with our super quiet magnetic technology. The high-quality flywheel creates smooth drag, while built-in noise reduction eliminates distractions, allowing for focused workouts. Easily control your workout intensity with the handlebar-mounted cable. Choose from 6 levels of fixed resistance to simulate everything from flat roads to steep hills, tailoring your training to your needs. Ride with confidence thanks to its safe and steady construction. Made from durable stainless steel with an extra-wide base and anti-slip pads, it ensures perfect balance and stability during every ride. This trainer is designed for convenience. Its foldable frame makes it lightweight and compact for easy travel, and it comes with a free sturdy bag for effortless carrying and storage. Setting up is a breeze, requiring no tools for quick connection and release. It's compatible with most 26 to 28-inch and 700C wheels, making it a versatile choice for many cyclists. What we like. Experience smooth, quiet indoor cycling with magnetic resistance. This trainer offers 6 adjustable levels to simulate various terrains. If you're a dedicated cyclist looking for consistent training year-round, this is your ideal choice. What people say. The kit includes a 30-foot grounding wire, a grounding rod, and clamps, making it a comprehensive solution for generator safety. Easy to install and provides peace of mind knowing the generator is properly grounded. The copper wire is thick and durable, ensuring a reliable connection for grounding. Number 4. Hayward AquaTrol Salt Chlorination System. Introducing the Hayward AquaTrol, designed for above-ground pools up to 18,000 gallons. It simplifies your pool care routine by automatically converting salt into chlorine. Forget the hassle of mixing, measuring, and handling traditional chlorine. This system provides continuous sanitization, keeping your pool clean and inviting. Enjoy pool water that feels incredibly soft and is gentle on your eyes. Unlike traditional chlorine pools, it won't cause irritation. The silky soft water produced by this system leaves your skin and hair feeling smooth and refreshed, without the dryness associated with chlorine. This system's soft water is also kind to your fabrics. It won't cause fading, preserving the color of your pool towels and swimwear. It comes complete with a Hayward turbocell, return jet fittings, and a power cord, making installation straightforward for your above-ground pool. What we like. Say goodbye to manual chlorine handling with automatic salt chlorination. It creates luxuriously soft water that's gentle on eyes and skin. If you own an above-ground pool and desire a low-maintenance, comfortable swimming experience, this system is perfect for you. What people say. This kit provides a secure and reliable grounding solution for generators. The components are made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. Number 3. Portable ground rod with 4-foot UL listed wire. Introducing our portable grounding solution, designed for ultimate convenience. It ensures a secure connection for all your grounding needs. This comprehensive set includes an 18-inch ground rod and a 4-foot UL listed tinned copper wire. It comes with a crocodile clip and cable lugs for easy attachment. Experience exceptional conductivity with our 12 AWG tinned copper wire, featuring fireproof PVC insulation. This design minimizes energy loss for optimal performance. Our ground rod features an oval design, making it simple to drive into the ground. It's also easy to remove and can be used as an anchor. Perfectly suited for a wide range of applications, including electric fences, satellite dishes, and antennas. It's your go-to for reliable grounding. What we like. This kit provides a UL-listed, high-conductivity tin copper wire for efficient grounding. Its oval design makes it easy to install and remove. If you need a reliable and straightforward grounding solution for electric fences, antennas, or generators, this portable rod is a great option. What people say. The kit includes a 30-foot grounding wire, a grounding rod clamp, and a grounding rod. It is designed to provide a safe and reliable grounding solution for generators. The kit is easy to install and comes with all the necessary components. Number 2. MOKIKUBA Portable Ground Rod. Introducing the MOKIKUBA Portable Ground Rod, your reliable solution for grounding needs. This versatile tool is designed for easy installation and secure grounding. Featuring a solid steel shaft with high tensile strength, it ensures robust and steady driving into the ground. The color zinc finish provides excellent corrosion resistance. It comes pre-installed with a convenient tin copper ground wire lug, compatible with wires up to 4 AWG solid or stranded. This makes connecting your grounding wires simple and secure. Perfect for a variety of applications, including satellite dishes, off-air antennas, and electric fences. It also serves as a ground post pin or a tie-out stake. The oval-eye design allows for convenient driving into the ground, easy removal, and secure tie-outs for anchor ropes. Its portable nature makes it ideal for various locations. Built for durability, this ground rod is designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Its sturdy construction ensures it remains steady and reliable. What we like. Benefit from a corrosion-resistant, color zinc finish and a solid steel shaft for durability. It comes with a pre-attached lug for easy wire connection. If you're looking for a sturdy and convenient grounding pin for antennas, electric fences, or tie-out stakes, this portable rod offers excellent value. What people say. This generator grounding kit is a must-have for safety. The kit includes all the necessary components for a proper ground connection. Easy to install and provides peace of mind. Number 1. Portable Copper Ground Rod Kit. Introducing our portable grounding rod kit, designed for optimal grounding wherever you need it. This kit ensures a reliable connection for your essential equipment. The solid copper grounding rod is 24 inches long, designed to penetrate deep into the soil for a secure earth connection. It provides a stable foundation for effective grounding. This comprehensive kit includes a 50-foot copper ground wire and an alligator clip. These accessories allow for quick and easy connections, saving you time and effort. Crafted from solid copper, it offers superior conductivity compared to copper-clad steel. This enhanced conductivity significantly improves the grounding performance of your equipment. Made from highly corrosion-resistant copper, it's built to withstand the elements. You can install it anywhere without worrying about soil acidity or weather conditions. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including satellite dishes, antennas, generators, computer rooms, and electric fences. It provides essential grounding for all your needs. What we like. Achieve optimal grounding with a complete solid copper rod and a generous 50-foot copper wire for maximum conductivity. Its corrosion-resistant nature ensures longevity in any soil condition. If superior grounding performance for generators, antennas, or electric fences is your priority, this copper kit is the best choice. What people say. The kit includes a 30-foot grounding wire, a 12-inch copper-clad ground rod, and 2 clamps, providing a comprehensive solution for generator grounding. It's designed for easy installation, with all necessary components included to quickly and safely ground your generator. The copper-clad ground rod offers excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting ground connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.